Good morning, this is Aaron with Squirrel Hill Flats, and I just want to give a quick tour of the laundry facilities at 2421 Beechwood Boulevard. As you can see, this is Beechwood Boulevard. It just so happens to be rush hour right now, so there's a little more traffic, but it is a quiet street. But the laundry is right in the basement of the building, and so from within the building, it's easy to get to. You just go down a set of flights and it's there. I left this door open just to make it easier, but here's the mailboxes. And then here's the hallway. And then there is a secure door over here. But the laundry facilities for this, and I left the lights on, are right here. And so you just go right down one level. And then here's all the storage cubbies too that each apartment gets. And so every apartment gets a storage cubby. But here's the laundry facilities itself. And so there's a table over here. There's a washer and the dryer. And then there's a laundry tub right over here. And so it's pretty straightforward. It's, I think, $1.50 per machine as of now. So today I think is May 29th, 2019. All right. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to visit us at www.squirrelhillflats.com, or you can email me. My name is Aaron at aaron@squirrelhillflats.com, or you can call us at 412-422-RENT or 412-422-7368. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.